Hi there, students. To constitute. Okay, to constitute, to add up to form, to make up, to be equivalent to, even just to be. So, for example, bread, meat, fruit and vegetables constitute a good diet. Okay, here constitute is talking about the elements or the parts of something to form a whole. Ethnic minorities constitute 9% of the population. So, to form, to make up, ethnic minorities are 9% of the population. We can also use this constitute, meaning to be the same as, to be equivalent to amount to be equal to. So, for example, using informal language in a formal situation does not constitute being rude. It's not the equivalent of it. A few small fights does not constitute a war, so it's not equivalent to. Failing to give the prisoner food and water constitutes torture, is equivalent to, makes up, is, if you like. The Prime Minister's strong or major election victory constitutes a reivindication of his party's policy. It says he's right. Or maybe nuclear waste constitutes a serious danger to people's health. Okay, so forms, is part of, makes up. Now you're probably wondering about constitution, as in a document, a legal document for a country. So let's see. We use the verb to constitute as well, meaning to set something up according to law, to found, if you like. So I guess the Constitution is a document that you use when you legally establish a country. It's a legal method of founding or putting together a country. To constitute, to establish by law. So, for example, several friends decided to constitute a company, to legally put it together, to found. The Constitution is one of the documents that constitutes a country, that establishes it as a legal entity. It set it up according to law. Let's see, 12 people constitute a jury, make up. But the judge, maybe he constitutes the court. He does all the right legal things to establish it as legal. Okay, this verb to constitute comes from Latin. Con, statutary, to set up together. These things together are, make. So, I just wanted for a second to look at this word constitution. You can have a constitution as a document, but we also use the word constitution to talk about the characteristics of somebody's health, their physical characteristics. So he has a really strong constitution. He never gets ill. So the elements put together are very strong, I guess is the idea. I have a weak constitution and I cannot eat very hot or very spicy food. Okay, so if somebody has a strong constitution, they never get ill. If they have a weak constitution, they get ill very easily. So let's see, now you want to know about formality, to constitute. I think this word is slightly formal, maybe 6.5, something like that. I think you could probably use constitute in an informal conversation, although I might use the to make up, to form. Yeah, I think it's probably better in something semi-formal or something very formal. So 6.5 in formality, something like that. And notice as well, to constitute is a regular verb. His actions constituted rebellion. Yeah, were equivalent to. So to constitute, to make up, to form, to be the parts of a whole, or to set up, to found, to put together, or to be equivalent to. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Constitute.